Everyone says it wrong. It's pronounced a French macaron. But it's nothing to fight about because it's a delicious cookie. I'm Chef Ben, and this is how not to mess up a French macaron. It takes very few ingredients, but there is so much nuance in between. So it is not how these ingredients mix together, but what you're looking for as you mix them together. You're gonna need 3 large egg whites. This is key to the production of a macaron shell. So if the yolk breaks, scratch it and start over. You could mix it anywhere between 3 and 5 minutes on medium speed, not on high speed. You don't need to beat it up, just relax. If the meringue breaks and it starts to look like cottage cheese, then you know that you are over whipping it. A proper meringue should be very creamy and pillowy. It's better to undermix than it is to overmix. You're gonna fold the mixture until all the dry is incorporated. As you mix it very, very slowly and methodically, and as it starts to deflate, it'll become shinier. You will mess up if you add too much water-based food coloring. The best one is a gel food coloring. The key is to make sure that your baking sheet is flat. I use parchment paper. Draw 1 1/4 inch circles as a cheat sheet just so you can pipe more consistently on there. Then flip the sheet upside down. That way you're not piping onto ink or pencil. Just pay attention. You will mess this cookie up if your oven is not hot enough. It doesn't matter what oven you're using. The first 3 minutes of baking a macaron is where you want to introduce the most heat to the shell. Everything after that is just drying it out. You want to let them cool completely before you peel these off. When I pipe the jam, I pipe it into the center and then I twist with the other shell. That could be a jam or a buttercream or a curd or a ganache. As soon as you break that crunchy shell, you should immediately have that flavor pop. This cookie is very special to me. I know that I've made over 1 million of these cookies. This is one of the hardest cookies to make, so don't give up. The key is to have fun, but learn each time that you make it.